we have to first start this off by crumbling our tofu. I'm using a softer tofu. I was trying to show you guys how it's a little more jiggly, and you're just gonna crumble that up with your hands. So anything from like a medium firm to a firm, I wouldn't use extra firm for this. I've just found that softer tofus tend to work better for the scramble. And I'm just going to crumble it up with my hands into little pieces, you know, kind of like egg shaped size, like scrambled egg shaped size pieces. And then we're gonna add in some non-dairy milk, any milk you like. I'm using almond milk. And then some nutritional yeast, black pepper, salt, and turmeric. I know some people like to add black salt to their tofu scrambles because it gives a little bit of an eggy flavor. I like to keep my seasonings very simple. If you want to add, you know, garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, whatever, add whatever you like in. But this is the best recipe that I have come up with. So I just like to keep it more simple. And just mix that all up, make sure everything's well incorporated together. It's gonna look something like this. It does look a little gross, but it's okay. So now we can bring it over to the stove so we can cook this. I'm going to cook it on a medium low heat, you know, kind of middle of the road. And I'm using a very good nonstick pan. If you want, you can put a little bit of vegan butter or oil or whatever into your pan. I don't need to because, like I said, mine's a very good nonstick pan. And I'm just going to scrape all the contents of the bowl out with a spatula. And I love to do this. It's kind of like a game. Like, how much can I get out? Like, how clean can I really make the bowl look? And we're just gonna start to cook this. So as you can see, there's a little bit of liquid separating from the tofu, which is good. That's what we want. This almond milk or any non-dairy milk you use is gonna keep it nice and fluffy and light. And we're just gonna cook this and really let the tofu and everything, just all the flavors will come out and like seep into the tofu. You'll also notice the turmeric starts to like kind of make a deeper yellow and it's gonna look more like scrambled eggs. So I'm gonna cook it like this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Of course, continuously stirring it, making sure nothing is burning. Once it looks something like this, there's not a lot of liquid left, as you can see. Like when I push the tofu around, there's a little trail of liquid, but it's not sitting in liquid like it was before, is when I think it's about done. It's light, it's fluffy. As you can see, it's a really golden yellow color. And now I just plated it up. I'm gonna keep it simple, just doing some black pepper, a little bit of salt on top, and green onion. You can, of course, add in any vegetables you like, any toppings, hot sauce, you know, however you like to do it, but I have just found keeping mine on the more simple side is actually better. And this is it when it's all done. It's so easy to make, it's so delicious. I think everybody should know how to make tofu scramble because it's so useful for so many recipes. And yeah, I hope you guys try this out because this is the best way that I have found to make tofu scramble. And as always, the full recipe will be on my blog and there will be the ingredients listed down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.